Hi, and welcome back to Lisa's Stamp Studio. Today is video number 8 in my series on my craft room tour, where I'm sharing tips on organization and storage. And today I'm talking to you about storing embellishments. This could be buttons, rhinestones, sequins, or trinkets, just to name a few. I've got a great idea that not only saves space, but is very economical to use. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I would love to encourage you to subscribe. Click that subscribe button down below, and next to it, click that small bell icon. That will send you notifications of when I'm live here on YouTube, as well as when I upload a new video. Let's head over to the stamp table and let's get started on today's tip. It's no secret that I love embellishments, but storing them once you open the package can be cumbersome. Oftentimes I like to put all my colored accessories in one bag and clear and rhinestone pearls in another. Once a package has been opened, it no longer has the cellophane. I pull out a small little clear cellophane bag and I store the embellishments in there. I found that putting them in a drawer was quite cumbersome because I had numerous bags. That's until I realized that the full wide stamp cases work perfectly for accessories. So let me show you. I'll put my small cellophane bag inside of here, which of course includes my opened embellishments as well as my other package. Here I have 2 packages as well. Those will go inside. I prefer to put all my colored accessories together and then I can store it. You can see that I still have plenty of room to add others. But I didn't stop there, because not every accessory I have can be stored in one container. I went ahead and got an additional box. And here I've added some faceted gems, some small metallic pearls, rhinestones, and other embellishments. And I've placed these in another. And being a girl that loves glam, of course there's more. I had small trinkets, I had brads, I had sequins, I even had buttons. And all these small containers were just mounting up on a shelf or in a basket. And then I realized they fit in here equally as well. You'll see that this one particularly is thicker than the others. So I found that one of these works well, and then I'm able to stack the shallower ones on top of each other. So I can get 8 of the narrow cases or 4 of the larger cases, or a combination to fit inside of here. The best part about this is they're able to sit on my shelf. They take up very little room. They're economically priced for 4 cases for only $7. One of the other great things about these cases is they actually have a clear pocket on the outside. If you wanted to create a label, you can simply slide it down inside either the spine or the front of the case, which would make all the cases easily identifiable, whether you're storing buttons, sequins, brads, rhinestones, or pearls. This storage tip is going to save you a lot of space. I hope that my craft room tour series has inspired you for some new storage and organization ideas. I don't know about you, but working in a clean and organized surrounding helps make me more creative. If you've missed any of the previous videos in this series, I'm going to go ahead and link them down in the video description below. If you have enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up here on YouTube. That is a like, and it makes YouTube and I both very happy. Thanks so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day.